Hi guys, how are you? I've been nominated to do a small video about my gym, which is one of Adelaide's hardcore bodybuilding gyms. We have been existing for 43 years in Adelaide. We're still going strong. There's great athletes here, bodybuilders here that are based here and training that absolutely inspire everyone else to train harder. We're a place where we want you to train hard. We don't mind if you clang down weights. We're here to help you as well. And my staff, I think, are pretty much the bomb too. So we're going to have a look around the gym and then you can see what this place is made of. So behind us is the Wall of Fame. Big Chris, Cam, myself, what I used to look like, which I'm trying to look like now, and Big Matty. Look at him. Behind me, whole wall of trophies. Behind us, counter. Okay, I'm going to switch this around so you can have a look at the gym. Do another bit. Okay, these are our dumbbells. 80 kilos, 90 kilos, old school. These are my favourite old schools. Dumbbells. Have a look at that. Just had some usage out of it. Okay. Our equipment. I think one of the most important things to look at is these. Look at those posters. Who's seen those before? And where have we seen those before? Dolly's Gym. We're the only other gym besides Dolly's that have these posters. Very fortunate, and many thanks to Tony Doherty, who's our mentor. Okay, I'm gonna have a look over here. We also have the full kit of powerlifting. Monolift, deadlift bar, and bench. Really, really lucky. Cardio equipment. Everyone knows what elliptical is. Stairs, a couple of stairmasters, which is unusual for a small hardcore gym. And this, it's a sled and it's also a sprinter. Let's come around back. This is our functional training area. Classes, we do boxing, have PTs here as well. And the best bit about the gym, leg room. With one of the best hack squats ever in Adelaide, which people have offered me ridiculous amounts of money for. It's not going, it's staying. So there you go. So there you go. It's a short video about the house. I'm walking outside. There's a big sign. Adelaide Gym. Powerhouse Fitness Gym. Hardcore will never die. Thanks guys. Peace.